Looks like it's weakening.
Not sure. I can still feel its energy.
Look! The cracks on its body, they're spreading! I hope that means it's disappearing. Wait! Wait! Something else is coming! No! The crystal's light is being pulled away! Something is interfering!
Hold formation. This new energy, it is stronger than Kula.
Kula! It's waking up again!
Oh no! It upgraded again!
No, that's not Kula anymore. This is much bigger. Crystal readings, ancient energy. Warden is emerging.
Warden? You mean the Forest Guardian? Get ready. It's coming.
I'm not ready to meet a forest god.
Oh wow! It's actually alive!
That's the Warden, protector of the ancient forest. Warden, we don't want to fight you.
You have broken my seal.
No! It was Kula who did that. If you want to harm someone, come through me first.
Might be scurrying. Please, listen to us. Please, don't let this turn into another boss fight.